Holy moly, looks like we got some big thunderclouds coming. Oh, I love thunderstorms. I love them. And my chives are looking darn good. Don't have to buy no onions during the summertime. And sunbathing as much as I can. Get as much sunshine as I possibly can. Mosquito bites. That's all they are, just mosquito bites. Don't worry, guys. And this is what happens when you clean the windows and they're so clear, is the birds hit the window and this is what happens. Dang it. So for my first meal of the day, I am having some cantaloupe. Nice ripe cantaloupe. And I made an Amazon order and the package just came in. So let's see what I've got there, guys. Because I started to open it. I'm like, oh, I need to show you guys what I got from Amazon. Because I love purchasing fruit from Amazon.com. But I also like purchasing dried fruits from them too. So I can try a variety of different types of dates and other dried fruits. But I love ajwa dates. So I bought some ajwa dates. These are like pure molasses flavor. They are so delicious. So you guys, if you've never tried ajwa dates, you must try them. And again, I buy them off of Amazon.com. So we got 1 pound there. Awesome. And then my favorite, jujubes. They're dried jujubes. I would most certainly like to eat the fresh ones, but I can't get them anywhere. And so I have found these on Amazon where they are super, super soft. And so here's all the specs on them if you guys are interested. And I bought 2 pounds worth because I know how delicious they are. They're like sweet, super soft, like marshmallows, only sweeter, you know, and so they're super, super good. But yeah, they're super good, naturally shade dried. There's nothing else added to them. There you guys go, all the specs on that. And look at that, there's some B12 in there too. Okay, so that is my Amazon haul right there, guys. So I'll put this in my fruity stash here, but I just wanted to share that with you. Here's the jujubes. Excellent, superb quality. Soft like marshmallows. Sweeter than marshmallows, but soft. Oh my gosh, so fresh. And they are nice and light and fluffy. Kind of has like a brown sugar flavor too. But if you can't get access to fresh jujubes, like Miss Stace here, guys, I'm up in Alaska, I can't get access to fresh jujubes. This is the closest I can get to them for them being as fresh as possible, because I know they can be rock hard also, but these are slightly dried out to where they're still fresh, still kind of fresh, and I like it in this stage. So delicious. Alrighty, who else out there is a Sudoku puzzle fan like Miss Stace? I love Sudoku challenges. It's a puzzle I can do. You know, I can do crosswords. Crosswords are fun. Actually not crosswords. It's the seek and find puzzles. Crosswords are actually hard. Those are hard. But it's the seek and find ones, search and find ones. But I can always do a Sudoku. I mean, that's why I can always gravitate to Sudokus, because I know I can do them. You know, puzzles are really good to do, and I think that we should all include them in our daily lifestyle throughout our life, you know, and daily routines and stuff, or a weekly routine, because it really helps keep the mind sharp, especially when you're done with school. Or after your school years, your school life. I think it's good to get puzzles into your life to stay sharp. Keeps the brain healthy too, you know. So now I'm at dinner time, you guys, and I'm having my savory hemp hemp seed dip, dressing dip, and you guys most certainly can go check out the recipe in my Make It Raw recipes playlist if you want. It's super good. It's a TannyRaw inspired dressing. It's not, or dip, it's not her exact recipe, but I improvised from what she had there and changed things up up a little bit to fit my preferences, and it's super tasty. So if you guys want to try this version, you most certainly can in my Make It Raw recipes playlist. And I'm pairing it with mini cucumbers. They're mini cucumbers and dankin radishes. Oh my gosh, I am not a fan of radishes. They're not very good, but the dankin variety, dankin radish, is so good. Oh my gosh, especially with this dip. And then romaine lettuce here, a big head of romaine lettuce. I'm not going to eat the whole head of romaine lettuce, but I know the hemp seed dip is super good with romaine. So that's what's for dinner. If you never think that you can ever heal from whatever you did to your body or whatever you've got with health issues and stuff, you can heal. You most certainly can heal. There's a way. God always provides a way. I know for me, I never thought there would ever be a way out from my personal health problems. And what do you know? God provided a way. He provided a way.